To learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Hi friends, now we are going to see class 8 factorization type 4. Factorize x square plus 7x plus 12, as well as we are going to do factorize 2x square plus 9x minus 5. So as I told earlier, we need to check all the possibilities, that is common possible or not. If not, we go for rearranging. And the third one, as I said, you go for algebraic identities. Okay friends, let us see once with the first example what we have. That is x square plus 7x plus 12. So if you observe here, I think there is no common, so we don't take this. And rearrangement also is not possible, as it is 3 terms, it's a trinomial, not possible. And there is no identity visible here, so no algebraic identity. Then we have the fourth one, that is nothing but we are going to see this as trinomial and the highest power is 2, so we call it as quadratic polynomial. What we call, friends? It's a quadratic polynomial. Since it's highest power, we call it a degree 2. We'll be learning, already we learned it, and we'll be learning clearly in the next classes to come. So whenever we have quadratic polynomial that is in this form, ax square plus bx plus c, we call it as quadratic polynomial. It's a trinomial containing x square, and the middle term is x, and the last we have constant c. Here a, b, c are real numbers. Okay friends, so whenever we get this one, we go for the type 4, that is we are going to split middle term. Middle term is nothing but x term. Always remember, the middle term is nothing but x term. Okay friends, so very important this is. So we are going to go with this. Okay, so in this what we need to do, so we need to take x square coefficient, that is nothing but here we have 1, so no need to consider that, and directly you can go for the constant. What is the constant here? 12. Or you can do 1 into 12, that is nothing but we get 12. 1 into 12, so we get 12. Now your target is always take x square coefficient, that is a and c, multiply these two first, and then after getting the product of those two with signs, after getting the product, just split this into two factors, such that if you multiply you need to get 12, and if you add you need to get the middle term, that is nothing but 7. Okay friends, so what are the factors we have? Possibility 3 and 4. 3 plus 4. Okay friends, this is what we need to do. Most important this is. And then split this 7x account to this. Okay, so what we get? X square plus 7x, I'm splitting it as 3x plus 4x plus 12. Always remember, signs are important. Okay, and then you already know what to be take common from the first two. You know this already. X you can take common, so we get from the first two, we get x plus 3, and you can write as it is this x plus 3 here. It's a simple technique. Okay, from the last two terms, you can see x is here, 3 is here, so what is missing? 4. Which 4 plus 4? Keep it out. That's it. And now what is common in both? X plus 3 is common. Take it out, so you have x plus 4. Still any factorization is possible? No. So that's it friends. In this way we can factorize using type 4 splitting middle term. Split the middle term. Okay friends, and now let us go with the second example. If you have a coefficient, what to do? That is, if you have like this, you can see here 2x square plus 9x minus 5. So as we said, it is a, we need to check common, no, rearrangement, no, algebraic identity, no, and then we split middle term. So what we need to do, and it is a trinomial of quadratic polynomial. Okay friends, x square, x and constant. So what we need to do, we need to multiply x square coefficient with this constant. So what we get, 2 into minus 5 with the sign friends, so we get minus 10. So next what we need to do, we need to split this such that if you multiply you need to get minus 10, and if you add, what is that we need to get? The middle term 9, that is 9x, 9 will take. So what are the factors possible? 3 2 5s are means we don't get 9, so we go with the 10 table, that is 10 ones are 10 ones are it's 10, but we need to get a positive 9, so we take minus 1. Always be clear friends, you are very strong in integers. So 10 plus minus 1. So split the 9x in this way. So we get 2x square plus 10x minus x minus 5. So from the first two, what you can take common? 2x we can take common. So what is that? We left x plus 5. Same as it is, you write here friends, x plus 5. What is missing beside x and 5? Minus is missing. So keep minus. 1 is a factor always. So now take x plus 5 common. So we get 2x minus 1, the leftover of outside x plus 5. So in this way, the factorization is done. So whenever these three are not possible, you can go with the splitting middle term. Okay friends, thank you. Mathematics is a way to settle in the mind a habit of reasoning.